Welcome to RP Guru Tech Talk, the ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, join the community of tech enthusiasts and start learning today with us. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.
Today's video I'll talk about a software called Handbrake. It's an open source video transcoder, so it's free to use, so there's no restrictions or licensing required. So I'm downloading it. I'll share the link of this website in the description. So I'm downloading the software now, and after downloading, it's a file I'm going to install. Download and install takes time, so I'm just fast forwarding the install process. So I can leave the defaults as is, don't have to change anything. You can leave that as it is and say install. It's installing the software. It should be quick, it shouldn't take too much time. It's installed it, and you can create a shortcut on the desktop too and hit finish. And now I'm going to open the software, and in this demo I'm going to show you how to take a existing video and reduce the size of it. So I'm going to go look for the video which I want to reduce the size for. So I found the video now, so it's there's a video there. So I'm going to pull that and drop it into Handbrake. It's a large file, so I'm going to drop it into Handbrake now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the defaults of the setup for the conversion. So if you see, this is the video. You can leave all the other defaults as it is. You don't have to change anything because it has all the default setups that are required to do the conversion in the right way, and it creates an MP4 file. There are other formats. That typically MP4 is the right format to use for most of the places you want to have a video for. So you can leave the defaults as I said. You don't have to change anything. And then also the next step would be to save the converted file. Where do you want to save it? So I'm going to click on browse and save it into the location I want. So after that, and then I'm saving it here and say, now I'm going to click on start encode. So this takes a while. I'm fast forwarding the video to show you the end result of it. So once the video is completed, the conversion is completed, what it does is I'm going to proceed and look at the video size. You can see there's quite a bit of a difference in the original video I loaded and what's been generated by the Handbrake after the reduction. So you can see about 30 MB reduction in the size of the file. There's no change in the number of minutes in the file. So everything is the same except the size of the new file is a little smaller. I mean a bit smaller than what the original file was. And so let's see the original file and how this converted file looks like. The original file. This is the original file. So I created this video long ago, so you can ignore the quality. But if you see, the converted file has the same quality. So hope this software helps you, and thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.